In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Smartsheet Bridge. Understanding this process will give you a powerful tool to automate workflows and connect different applications seamlessly. Let's start by heading over to app.smartsheet.com. Here, you'll need to sign into your Smartsheet account using your usual credentials. This step is straightforward, but make sure your login details are correct to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you're logged into Smartsheet, the next step is to navigate to the Bridge portal. You can do this by typing bridge.smartsheet.com into your web browser. Opening this portal is essential because the bridge is the feature we're focusing on today. It acts as a glue that holds various applications together, enabling smoother operations in your workflow. Now, when you arrive at the bridge portal, you'll need to sign in again. You should use the same credentials you used in the first step when you logged into your main Smartsheet account. This ensures that all your personal settings and accesses are consistent and secure. You might encounter a small hurdle at this point. The bridge might not be enabled for your current plan. If this happens, don't worry. You may need to request access from your Smartsheet admin. They have the ability to make the necessary adjustments or find alternative solutions to provide you with that access. It's a simple task of communication, and your admin should be able to assist you quickly. It's important to note that Bridge is typically included in enterprise plans, or it can be purchased as an add-on. If you're unsure about the specifics of your current plan, there's a simple way to check. You head to your account settings and look at the plan and billing info section. This area should provide all the necessary details about what features are included in your plan. If you're still unclear or if there are any discrepancies, reaching out to Smartsheet support can be incredibly helpful. They're equipped to assist users with access issues and can clarify any questions you might have about your subscription. With these steps, accessing Smartsheet Bridge should be straightforward, allowing you to harness this feature to enhance your productivity and streamline your tasks. By integrating various applications and automating workflows through Smartsheet Bridge, you can optimize your project management skills significantly. Good luck with your Smartsheet experience, and I hope this guide was helpful in demystifying the process of accessing the Smartsheet Bridge. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and guides.